first layer of protection, standing between you and the elements. Water, wind, snow, heat, hail. Mother Nature is relentless. So when it comes to installing a new roof, you want to be sure it will perform. Owens Corning is the most trusted and recognized brand in roofing. With a proven track record, decades of innovation and product development, and a depth of experience and research in material science, in order to deliver a roofing system that can perform as designed and specified. The evidence is in the Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System. Layers that help your roof seal, defend, and breathe. The proof is in the performance of Duration Series shingles with SureNail technology. But at Owens Corning, we know you want your roof to look as beautiful as it performs. That's why we're a leader in color, offering a wide range of dramatic hues and classic styles, so you can choose a shingle that will create a stunning first impression from the curb. But one of the most critical steps is choosing the right contractor to install your roof. An Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor can offer our most comprehensive warranty to help protect your investment in the things you care about most.
I'm Brad Sanders, the owner of Triumph Roofing. Your home deserves the best, and that's exactly what we strive to provide. We're proud of our Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor status. We use top-notch Owens Corning roofing materials, ensuring your roof not only looks stunning, but is designed to last. At Triumph Roofing, we understand that a roof has a huge impact on the overall look of your home. Our skilled team transforms your vision into a reality with precision and craftsmanship. But what we're most committed to is your satisfaction. We don't just complete projects, we exceed expectations, because we want you to tell your friends and family about the amazing experience you have every step of the way working with Triumph Roofing. Call us today for a free inspection. We can't wait to get the opportunity to serve you.
Choose Owens Corning and an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Contractor.